Hi everybody, come have a look at where ultra-high net worth individuals go shopping for adventure. Anja and I are taking you to the Monaco Yacht Show today, the place to be, well, if you want to buy a brand new super yacht. The international jet set loves the French Riviera just as much as we do. No wonder the rich and famous brought along prestigious events like the Cannes Film Festival and the Formula One Monaco Grand Prix. For just over 3 decades now, the equally prestigious Monaco Yacht Show has been gathering the world of super yachting in the Principality once a year. The entrance fee is €500 a day, but hey, we'll take you for free. So hop on board the 85-meter award-winning yacht Victorious with us and discover another world. Communications Director Dr. Fevzicevic gives us the full tour. From the stylish main deck to the upper deck with its heliport, the bridge deck, the sky lounge, and all the way back down to the lower deck with its beach club and folding terraces. Turkish shipbuilder Ak launched the vessel in 2021 after 4.5 years of construction. She's been to Monaco for the second time this year. Victorious is an explorer yacht, meaning she's not only full of luxury, but able to take on the roughest sea conditions with storage for months at sea and the ability to carry extensive adventure equipment, tenders and toys. We'll show you some of those later in the video. Some of Victorious's greatest features include the Sky Lounge, with its worldwide unique real wood-burning marble fireplace and a custom-designed sound system. The owner's cabin features a private outdoor jacuzzi with a view. The current owner, Vuralak, is a businessman and retired race car driver, hence the cabin's named after some of the most famous racetracks. Like what you see? You can purchase Victorious for €110 million or charter the yacht for $1 million a week. Once you've decided on a pretty boat, you might want to up your car fleet too. Well, at the Monaco Yacht Show, you can get it all. How about a supercar, like a stylish, uniquely tuned Brabus vehicle made in Germany? Or a cute little Fiat 500, also called Jolly. Car enthusiasts might have to take out their tissues when looking at what Stefan Bornat brought to Monaco. A 300 SL Roadster from 1960 in original Mercedes-Benz blue with red leather seats. For €1.9 million, you can take the lady home. Speaking of toys, next to drones that fit an entire person, the Monaco Yacht Show also boasts water toys such as underwater scooters called sea bobs that will rush you underneath the surface, or an e-foil, an electric surfboard. Clearly incredible is this yellow submarine. While this is a model, the real thing will take you up to 1,000 meters below sea level. And another world premiere at this year's Yacht Show is this fast and lightweight carbon e-bike called Novus, starting at €29,000.
René, willkommen in Monaco.
Hallo,
Ist die
freut mich.
Côte d'Azur für euch ein Markt?
Definitiv.
Ja, warum?
Glauben wir schon. Ich habe das Gefühl, es transformiert sich hier. Man spürt, dass es Richtung erneuerbare, nachhaltige Antriebsformen, Mobilitätsformen gehen soll. Ganz, ganz stark. Und gleichzeitig gibt es aber immer noch das Bedürfnis, sich zu individualisieren, was Besonderes zu sein. Und das, was man vielleicht erreicht hat, auch zu zeigen. Und wir glauben einfach, dass dann so moderne, nachhaltige, zeitgemäße Statussymbole, die das können. Ja? Die sind einerseits nachhaltig, andererseits zeigen die immer noch was sie besonders macht. Und das gibt es hier, glaube ich, so gut wie nirgendwo anders auf der Welt. Fühlt sich zumindest genauso an.
We think James Bond would make for a great client at the Monaco Yacht Show. Anja and I stayed until late, enjoying a cocktail mixed by a world-famous bartender. If you had fun too, please subscribe to our channel.